In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications. Then select App Settings and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps on the left and do exactly the same over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!